Today we're showing both our Classic and our Titan caster dollies. They both have a different base to them where you can attach the hub adapter. The hub adapter comes with the universal 4, 5, 6, and 8 lug pattern, as well as you can also be able to drop an axle and maneuver an axle as well on these dollies. Basically, you can just jack up the vehicle, attach the hub adapter, and then tighten your 2 bolts down. Each dolly is rated at 2,250 pounds, so basically 9,000 pounds we rate them at. So here we have our Raptor dolly. I'm getting a lot of calls for people wanting a dolly system when the tow truck drops it off in their yard. They have a rough surface, terrain. They need to get the vehicle inside the shop. This is a nice dolly. You can set the full front end of the vehicle when it's damaged. Simply jack it up, set it on there, and it maneuvers easily. Our universal adjustable pinch weld adapter, they will work with either our Classic line or our Titan dolly. The difference being is just the base that it goes to. Gives you 8 inches of adjustment, which makes it nice. If the vehicle comes in, you can lower it. You don't have to jack the vehicle up that high to get into the pinch weld and then lift it up. You can also use all 4, which makes it nice to move the whole vehicle around the shop. Here we have our 8-tier bumper rack. You can use for bumpers. The arms, you can take the pins out, you can remove them if you're not using it. What's nice having the longer arms for the newer bumpers, the 34-inch wide, we made our arms 36, as well as 24-inch. You can get various bumpers on these racks.